Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your tax filing with TaxAct, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your tax filing with TaxAct, start by logging into your TaxAct account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled File or My Taxes on the main menu. Click on that option to access your filed tax returns. Find the tax year you want to verify in the list of returns. Select that return to open the detailed summary. Check for a status indication next to your return. The status will show either filed, accepted, or rejected. If your return is marked as filed, it means it has been submitted but not yet reviewed by the. If it's accepted, that indicates the IRS has successfully received your filing. In case your return is rejected, you'll need to review the reason provided and make necessary corrections. You can also review your e-file confirmation in the same section. This confirmation will contain the date your return was accepted. Additionally, look for any notifications or alerts that may require your attention. If you encounter any issues, visit the TaxAct help page for guidance. Keep your confirmation details saved for your records. This will be essential for any future references regarding your tax return. By following these steps, you can confidently verify your tax filing with TaxAct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech